Good morning, everybody. Candy colored palms. Listen to all that noise. Their mama just came back in, and they're a little excited to see her, I'd say. The milk bar has arrived. She's like, you guys have food. What's your problem? Poor Yahtzee. She's losing all her hair. That's what happens after you have babies. You blow your coat. Yahtzee! Up, 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 up. Yahtzee, Yahtzee, Yahtzee. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, motherhood. She's very patient with them. They just ate a bowl of food and they still need their milkshake for dessert, I guess. Still a lot of hollering. What's the matter? I don't know if you can see his little legs. My lighting's not exactly great. He's on top of his sister. They crack me up. Okay, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. They're so funny whenever she first comes back. They're so loud.